Right. So today we are going to do some graph matching. We're going to talk about some graphs. This is your homework. So you may want to just write this down now so you don't have to go onto Canvas later. Be like, oh man, I know that she said we have homework, but I can't remember what it is. It's right here. It's page 57, questions 5 and 6, and then 73, 1 through 4. So this is like from like the middle of the book, middle of the chapter, and this is the end of the chapter questions. Okay? All of this should be made pretty clear by our conversation today. If not, I'm hoping that you've got me figured out, that I want you to do your best with it. And then we'll come back and we can talk about it tomorrow. We can go through as much of it as you want to tomorrow once we're back together again. So we've got some things to learn, some things to discuss. And on a new piece of paper or an old piece of paper, whatever, wherever your notes are going to go, my first task for you, because I don't think we've done this yet as a class, is to draw 3 little sets of axes. So we're going to do some graphing today without numbers. We're just going to do some qualitative graphing. Have you heard the term qualitative before? What does the word qualitative mean? Maybe let me give you the opposite of qualitative. Does anybody know what the opposite of qualitative is? Quantitative. So quantitative means numbers, right? Qualitative means what? What's that? Quality. So like describing things without numbers is really what we're doing. So I'm going to have you sketch a graph. I'm going to call this one A, just so we have something to talk about. And it's going to be a displacement versus time graph. And the thing that you are going to graph is me. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to start right here. This is going to be my starting line. The edge of this table is going to be my starting line. I'm going to move and you're going to graph my motion. Okay? So take a look up here. I'll do it twice, but I want you to watch carefully so that you've got a sense of what's happening. So here I go. I'm going to go. Stop. Okay? So try to graph that and see what that looks like. I'm going to do it again just in case you missed it or you blinked, you missed something exciting there. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. I'm going to start here. Everybody ready? Go. Stop. So again, we're not talking about numbers. All I want you to do is to draw the motion qualitatively. And once you've got something on your paper or you're scratching your head going, I really don't know, take a look at your neighbor's papers, have a little conversation, see if you agree with them. Or if they're stuck, help them out. How's it going? Does it look, do you get it? Yeah? Maya, what did your graph look like? It's like increasing and then it stops? Yeah. What do you guys think? Does that match? Yeah. So tell me, there are a couple pieces to this graph. I've got one. You could describe this as what kind of slope? Increasing or positive slope? Yeah. So I'm walking in the positive direction away from my 0 point. Okay. And then what happens for this part that's horizontal? I'm at rest. So time keeps moving, but the object does not. All right, let's do another one. All right. Okay. Ready? Go. Stop. Does anybody need me to do that again? Yeah? Okay. Ready? Go. Stop. It's fine with me if you want to just go ahead and check with your table mates, see if they agree with you. How are we doing? Lily, how are you feeling about this one? Can you tell me about it? What does it look like?
It was a steep slope, constant, and then
Like that so far?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And then flat.
And then flat?
And then there was a positive line, but it wasn't as steep as the first one.
Awesome. Why did you have a positive line but not as steep as the first one?
Because you were going faster the first time.
Right, I was going faster the first time. So my slope here is really, really steep, right? Because I was moving really fast. Or you thought I was because I was moving my arms really fast. That's how you do that, right? And then I wasn't going anywhere, and then I was walking really slowly. Is this making sense so far? All right, here's another one. Okay, so this will be in the last one over there. All right, go. Stop. Whoa. Do you want that one more time? Yeah? All right, here we go. Go. Stop. Draw that graph. Talk to your table mates. Have a conversation. What is going on? What's that?
If you go behind from where you're starting from, there's still a displacement.
There is, but how would you describe that displacement? I threw two weird curveballs at you that time, didn't I? All right. Are you ready? Maybe-ish? What'd you guys get back there? Who you? Yeah, sure.
So you went up,
Okay, what does that mean?
like positive slope, but not too steep.
Positive slope, but not too steep. Like this.
And then you stayed still for a brief second,
A brief moment.
and then it's supposed to go down.
It's supposed to go down.
Yeah.
So why does it go down?
Because you went back really fast.
Went back and I went really fast. I'm going to make that other one pretty slow, actually, just so we can see a very big difference. Is that better? Can I do that? Is that okay? Then I was stopped for just a very brief moment, and then I went back. Yeah, so there are two pieces. I went backwards. So that means that the slope is going to be down or negative. Is that right? It's going to be negative. So it's a negative slope. And it's going to be steeper than this one. And then what was the other little weird thing that I did? I went past my starting point. What on my graph represents my starting point?
The line.
The x-axis line, right? Yeah. So how do I show that I went back past that line?
You go below the x-axis.
I go down here below the x-axis. Does the slope change when I cross the x-axis? Why not? Same speed? Same speed. I just happened to pass by a landmark, right? But my motion stayed the same all the way down there. How's this making sense? We doing okay? All right. It's your turn. let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. Okay. We're going to count off.
Can we just choose one?
Hold on, I'm just thinking. Hold on just a sec. You may choose, but you need no, let's just do pairs. Pick a partner. Send one person from your pair up to get a whiteboard, a marker, and a cloth.